Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Alam and today we are going to fix Google Chrome if it's taking too much time to respond, if it's lagging, very slow. So in this video, I will tell you 3 simple steps. Then your Chrome browser will be much faster than earlier. So guys, let's learn something new today. So guys, first of all, you have to open your Chrome browser, then go to right top corner and click on these 3 dots, then go to settings. On this page, go to extensions. In my Chrome browser, I have very less extensions, but I would recommend if you have any extension which you don't use, or if you see any unwanted or unknown extension here, just remove that extension, because there could be some extension which may create conflict in your Chrome browser. So you have to remove that extension. Once you have removed, close your Chrome browser and click on this search box. In this search box, you have to type CMD and open command prompt as an administrator. Once it is open, you have to type one command. We are going to flush DNS, which will speed up your browser. You have to type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Once you have typed it, hit enter and you will see this message, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Then close it. Now again you have to open your Chrome browser, then again go to right top corner and click on these 3 dots, then go to settings. On this page, this time you have to go to reset settings and you will see one option here, restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it, your bookmarks, history and saved passwords won't be affected. Click on reset setting, it may take a while. Once it is done, close your Chrome browser and restart your computer. After that, your Chrome browser will run faster. And please let me know in comment section if it has worked for you or not. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can watch more informative videos on my channel. See you in next video. Have a nice day.